Mr. Cat, stop being bad. Today we're going to be doing a mystery box unboxing, which is one of my favorite things ever. I love to watch unboxing videos on the interwebs, so I thought maybe I would buy some mystery boxes and unbox them for you all. Today we are going to be opening a mystery box that I got from Odin's Daughter Co. I have been stalking them on the internet for a while now, and I had yet to pull the trigger on anything because honestly their candles all sounded so amazing that I just couldn't decide on one or two to get to start. So when I saw they were doing a mystery box, I thought that this was the perfect opportunity to go for it, just be surprised by whatever candle I get. And then I believe, it's been a while since I ordered this, but I believe there's a couple other goodies in there as well as part of the mystery box. I'm just going to read you the quick descriptor that's on their website so you can get a feel for what their vibe is, but I highly recommend checking them out on Instagram, and also just their website. I'll put that down in the box below so you can check that out. This is not a sponsored video by any means. I only have like 3 videos. I clearly am not getting any sponsors, but I just thought I would disclaim that ahead of time in case you thought that they were paying me to say this, because they are not. They did not. I bought the box myself, so this is gonna be just a fun unboxing video, and hopefully if you enjoy these, I'll be doing more. I definitely have one more at least, because, you know, if you can't buy stuff, then I'll just buy it and you can live vicariously through me. Okay, so I'm just going to read you the little description from their website. Ritually hand-poured vegan candlelight with crackling wood wicks and botanical soaps to invoke the magic within, nourishing your soul. Made in the home of the Appalachian Mountains. So in addition to candles, they do have other products as well. So I don't really know what's going to be in this box, except I'm pretty sure there's one candle and then some other items. So we're going to find out what's in it right now. I'm really excited. And just so you know, I paid, let me just bring up my email receipt. So this mystery box was $25 and then shipping was $9.25. So I paid $34.25 for this. I think that's a good deal because there's extra stuff in here besides just a candle, but just so you can get an idea. I don't think this is something they have on their website all the time. It was just a special thing they did, but hopefully it will give you an idea of some of their products, and then you can go check out their website for yourself and maybe order something if you see anything that interests you. So let's get started. Got my handy dandy little box cutter, like, you know, that thing that you cut boxes with. Oh right, a box cutter. Okay, let's see. Wow. Okay, so one of the things that I really love about this company is their packaging is amazing. Like I said, I haven't bought anything from them before, but you can just tell by like the package, looking at the packaging on their candles and everything on their website. But I'm already getting the feeling of that just opening this box. So here is just their little card that, you know, has their company name on it. And then on the back, it has this beautiful wax seal, which is gorgeous. And then, you know, just a little thank you on here. And then also down here, which is really cool, it says every order plants a tree. That's a really nice touch. Just, you know, makes you feel extra good about buying things when you know a little something good is coming out of it. Rustle, rustle, rustle. Okay, let's see. First item. Wow, actually there's more in here than I expected. Multiple things. Hefty. Okay. I don't know what any of these things are. I'm just going to open them in whatever order I grab. I think I see which one is the candle, so we're going to save that for last. It's like Christmas. Ooh. Okay, so the first thing, I'm really excited about this, is a cleansing ritual mist, and it is called Midsummer. Isn't that gorgeous? Like the whole, like the bottle is matte black, And then the labels are so pretty. I love it. I love it. So this is just, you know, a spray that you can use to scent things or whatever you might want to use a scented spray for. They call it a cleansing ritual mist, but I'm pretty sure you could use it just anytime. And the scent is notes of oak moss, bergamot, sweetgrass, and violet. And it is vegan. I think everything they make is vegan, which is also really awesome. So I don't know what any of their stuff smells like. Like I said, I've never bought anything from them before. So we're going to give this a little spray right now and find out. That smells really good. I mean, it's called Midsummer, and it definitely is. I mean, you know, oak moss and bergamot and I mean, those are all kind of. Mr. Cat, stop being bad. Ugh. Hey. Okay, sorry about that. Cats. You know what I mean? It smells so good. Anyway, what I was saying was, like, those all kind of sound like a little bit darker scents, but actually it is very light. It is summery, but without being, you know, super over the top floral or citrus or some of the things that you usually smell for sort of summer scents. So I really love this. It's kind of summery, but with sort of a witchy kind of twist on it. Just gonna keep spraying and it's smelling good. That's it. We don't need anything else. This is good. Yeah, so that is excellent. I'm very excited about that. The next thing that's in here is 2 packages of wax melts, which I am very happy about because I just got that wax melt. I don't know what those are called. The thing that melts the wax. If you watched my previous video about Halloween decor at Big Lots, you can see what I got. It's just a pumpkin one. But I've never done wax melts before this, before I got that. So I'm really excited to have these to try. And this is called Viking Spirit is the name of the scent there. And it is notes of oak, cypress, cedarwood, and aged juniper, which sounds really good. Hey, open this. Oh, I got it. Okay. Yeah, that smells really good. Definitely, like you heard in the description, there's a lot of tree smells, which I love tree smells. All the tree smells are something that I kind of associate with Christmas and winter. So I think this will be perfect for that season. So far we have a summer season and a winter season item. So we'll see, the candle is next and we'll see what that is, if that fills in the gap for autumn or what. But yeah, so this is really cool. I'm glad to get an assortment of products too. So there's a candle, a spray, and wax melts. I don't know if everyone got the same items that ordered this mystery box or if it was just random. So if you happen to be someone that also got this, please let me know in the comments because I would love to know what everybody got, if it's the same thing as what I got or if it is different. Okay, on to the next thing. So the candle is the last thing that's in here. Honestly, 3 full-size items and then wax melts. There were 2 of these packages and full-size spray and this candle is a really good deal for $25. So I'm really glad I got this. And it also, I love that it gives me a chance to try out several different scents of theirs so that, you know, when I go back and possibly order more things in the future, I'll kind of have an idea of a few different scents to know like what I like. And I mean, I don't dislike any of these things so far, so we'll see what the candle is like. Yeah, I'm sorry about the lighting. It just keeps changing, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. So the candle that we got is called Rebirth. Let's see if it'll focus. Once again, beautiful packaging. This is a white outside, but I believe they do have black ones too, depending on the scent. The scent is notes of pomegranate, flora, and mint. And like everything else, this is vegan. I just love the little, like, apothecary detail. So cute. Oh my God. Can you hear my cat? Stop that, please. This smells so good. This is, I don't know, I wouldn't even say this is like a seasonal scent. I feel like you could really burn this any time of year and it would make sense. The sort of floral notes make it kind of summery. I feel the pomegranate is maybe a little more into autumn feeling, and then the mint kind of brings it home to that winter feeling. So I guess just like Persephone, this candle really makes sense in all the seasons. You know, she's got that seasonal thing going on. And this candle, I think, really embodies that well. So I'm super, super excited about this. I think it smells amazing. I honestly don't know if this is one that I would have sort of gone to immediately. I feel like I probably would have gone more for the really obvious autumn scents. You know, things with like pumpkin and wood smoke and all of that tends to be my thing that I am into. But I am really glad that I got this in the box because it's not one I maybe would have picked right away for myself, but I really, really love it. And now that I have this one, I can maybe go back and buy more of those autumny scents. And also, I don't know if you can see, but there's really pretty glitter in the top. Oh, I love glitter. So that's really awesome too. So that's everything in the box. I definitely do not regret buying this. I think it was an amazing deal to get all of this for $25. And B, I'm such a sucker for a surprise box. I cannot resist it. You know, at Christmas when you do like white elephant gift exchange, I'm always the person that picks a new present from under the tree, even though there's probably cool stuff I could steal, just because I like to unwrap a new present that I don't know what it is. I like the surprise. So getting this as a surprise box was a huge bonus for me. I just love that. So my review, if I was going to review this, is great. I don't know what the scale is. It's like bad, okay, good, pretty good. I don't know. I definitely really enjoyed everything I got in the box. I love the smells. There's nothing that I won't use for sure. I think getting these 3 items for $25 is an amazing deal. And I love opening a surprise. So everything about this was amazing and I'm really glad that I did it. And I hope that you enjoyed watching and maybe got an idea of some of the products that you can get from them. Like I said, this isn't sponsored, but you know, they're really cool, small business, obviously doing what they can to do some good, planting a tree when you get an order. So go check them out if you liked anything you saw here and see if there's maybe anything you'd want to get for yourself. I definitely think I'm going to be going back to buy more candle scents after this just because I really, really loved this and probably going to go for some of their more autumny ones to burn next month during October. Any of their spooky scents. And honestly, like their whole shop packaging and everything just kind of has a witchy vibe, which you know I'm into that. So, I mean, maybe you don't because this is only my 4th video, but just so you know, I am into that. So everything about this was great. I really loved it. I'm so happy. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you've ever gotten anything from them, let me know down in the comments what you think, if you like their products or not. I would love to do more of these mystery box unboxings because, like I said, I'm just such a sucker for them. So if there's anything that you would like to see unboxed, please put it in the comments and I'll consider possibly getting it. And I can, you know, do the unboxing for you so you don't have to spend the money, but you can see what it looks like. Obviously, I'll probably only do it if it's something that aligns with my interests, but I have lots of interests. So there's a good chance that it might be something that I would be into. So please, if you have any suggestions or mystery boxes that you have gotten before that you really liked, please put them in the comments and I will check that out and consider getting some of those to do future videos for. I will have at least one more Halloween specific themed unboxing video. So definitely keep an eye out for that. I'm not really sure when it will be. I haven't gotten the box in the mail yet, but I'm really excited about that one as well. So definitely if you like this video, keep an eye out for that video as well. So thanks for watching and I will see you next time.